Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I am Mimosa. Today, I'm going to show you how to paint broccoli in watercolor in a way that's actually fun and not just a boring green lump. First of all, let's talk about colors. One common mistake beginners make is using every green they own to paint broccoli. But that usually results in just one flat green blob, and that's exactly what we want to avoid. Instead, I'm going to show you how to create interesting layered greens using a few carefully chosen colors. I've already sketched out two broccoli heads leaning against each other based on the photo reference, which I'll show you on the screen. I begin with the larger broccoli, starting on the highlighted areas using a yellowish green mix. That's yellow deep plus sap green. Switching to a medium green, which is a mix of cobalt blue and yellow deep. And for the darker parts, I use viridian mixed with violet to create a rich deep green. Now here's a really cool trick. Don't blink. Gently tap a clean wet brush like this to sprinkle water droplets over the broccoli. This creates a beautiful cauliflower texture effect, instantly giving it more life and dimension. You'll also notice I use the lifting technique to pull out a few highlights while the paint is still damp. This helps create a more 3D effect. Before adding more detail, I move on to the broccoli stalk. I start with a light green, then add a touch of Bordeaux to warm it up and give it some variation. I repeat almost the same process for the second broccoli, but make sure the green aren't exactly the same. Variation is key to keep the painting interesting. I'll go on with finer details and deeper shadows. Last but not least, I want to make this painting look livelier and stunning. I splatter paint in the background and then use a straw to blow the splatters outward. On one side, I'm using greens, and on the other side, yellow and maybe a touch of violet and red here and there. And I think this really brings the whole painting to life. The best part is you can use these same techniques like color mixing, texture effects, and lifting on so many other still life subjects. Try it with lettuce, pears, succulents, or even a green apple. Anything with interesting shape and texture. I hope you have a great time with me today. And do subscribe for more watercolor tips. Let me know in the comments what you like to paint next. Happy painting! See you real soon!